5-minute crafts crafting kits launched in Walmart all across America. We popped into one of their stores for a live crafting event. So get ready and let's dive into some easy peasy crafting fun. Stay tuned till the end of the video to reveal the special surprise we prepared for everyone who joined us in store. Think you know 5-minute crafts like the back of your glue gun? Let's put your crafting knowledge to the test because it's quiz time!
Ready?
Alright.
Okay, how many followers do we have across all our channels?
Across all the channels?
Yes, across all the channels.
I guess 350.
Okay, you were closer,
Yes!
for sure,
Also-
but like, it's 850.
Wow! 850 million people. Now that's a strong fan base, guys. Congratulations.
Do you know what is the most viewed short we have on YouTube all the time?
Okay. I said soap cutting.
Damn, that's good.
That's good, but we have this food soap video,
Food soap.
when we make a soap, food-shaped soap, and it has
Yeah.
580 million views.
Now tell me, can you eat it?
So man-made, like. What is the most common tool that we use in our videos?
The most common tool.
Tool, yeah. The one that used the most.
I said knife. She said scissors.
And
got it?
good job. I'm right?
Oh!
Yes.
Hot glue gun?
Yeah, I mean
Oh,
there's
hot
a glue
glue
gun,
gun.
but also scissors is the second one.
So nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
Mwah.
We're getting gooey with our ice cream slimy kit. Yep, you heard it right. So buckle up because things are about to get delightfully slimy.
Can I have chocolate?
Chocolate, of course, yeah.
Have one thing. Okay.
Yeah, next you want
Oh, it's cool.
I'll put you.
Okay.
Ready,
Amazing slime ice cream now. Okay. Man, I got ready.
Ready to sparkle? It's bracelet making time! Grab those beads and charms and let's turn wrists into glittering wonders. Get set for a blast of fun and fabulous creations. Let's dive in and get crafting.
Hi, Mom. I do watch your channel. Yeah. So
I think, who doesn't?
dream team right here, right? We've been watching you guys forever.
Rainbow, I really like. That's my favorite. Don't get too many pins. It's gonna be.
You guys have your own category in my brain. Like that's how it is. It's in front of the whole world right now. Millions are watching.
That's so cute.
Yeah. Whoa.
And hey there, if you're enjoying this video, why not spread the joy? Repost it, share with friends, and keep the good vibes flowing. And if you spot yourself or your friends, don't hesitate to hit that share button. Let's make this experience unforgettable together. Are you prepared to shine? because it is time for painting some rocks. Check out how we will transform ordinary stones into glowing masterpieces.
Rock painting kit.
Wow.
Set there are boundaries for creativity, because this kit is your ticket to a world of endless possibilities. The Craft Suppliers kit is our crafting wonderland.
Nice.
Need a hand? We've got one for you. And in this case, it can't be yours. Let your hands tell a story, because who said you can't turn moments into masterpieces? Sculpt, create, and immortalize memories with every cast.
I see it. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that.
Hi. Okay, this is like 4 or 5 minute clip. Now he's gonna watch it on YouTube.
Excited to get crafting yourself? We've got you covered. Our 5-minute crafting kits are still available at your local Walmart stores or online. Get your hands on these kits and let the crafting adventures begin. Your hydration game doesn't have to stop your creativity from flowing freely. The water bottle kit can make you sip with a touch of your own artistic flair. Hydrate in style. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please. This is the moment you all been waiting for. It is time to reveal our special surprise. To show our gratitude for everyone who joined us at Walmart, we made a surprise that's as big as it gets.
So now we're gonna give one box away to each of you, so you can choose which one you like. You don't knew this was a good idea.
Nice.
That's a heavy one. Do you have enough?
I'll film you on emotion.
I got them. Yes. Awesome. Thank you so much for staying with us.
Well, crafters, we've wrapped up 2 days of non-stop creativity at Walmart, and let me tell you, it's been an absolute blast. From our lively crafting sessions to the giggles of kids and smiles of parents, we've had a lot of fun. We launched our 6 new crafting kits, and the excitement was off the charts. But guess what? We didn't stop there. As a big ol' thank you for joining our crafting event, every single one of our products was absolutely free for everyone who walked through those doors. It's our way of saying thank you for being part of our community. So a massive thank you to each and every one of you for being part of our creative family. Your energy, enthusiasm, and pure joy made those 2 days unforgettable. We can't wait to do it all over again. Until next time, happy crafting and see you real soon.